Are you tired of constantly dealing with back pain? Are you looking for natural and effective ways to relieve discomfort without relying on medication? Look no further. In this video, we'll be sharing a variety of exercises and stretches that can help alleviate back pain and improve overall strength and flexibility. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain or just looking to prevent future issues, these exercises are easy to follow and can be done from the comfort of your own home. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to relieve back pain without medication. You won't want to miss this. Back pain is a common issue that affects people of all ages, and it can be caused by various factors, including poor posture, muscle strain, and injury. While medication can provide temporary relief, it is not always the best solution for long-term management of back pain. Instead, there are several exercises and stretches that can be done to relieve back pain naturally, without the use of medication. 1. Cat-cow stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a gentle yoga pose that can be used to loosen up the muscles in the back, shoulders, and neck. It is often used as a warm-up exercise or as a way to stretch out the back after a long day of sitting or standing. To perform the cat-cow stretch, begin by getting down on your hands and knees with your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. This position is sometimes called the tabletop position. As you inhale, begin to arch your spine, lifting your head and tailbone towards the ceiling. You can also lift your gaze to the ceiling to help deepen the stretch in the neck. This is the cat part of the stretch. As you exhale, reverse the movement by rounding your spine, bringing your chin to your chest, and tucking your tailbone under. This is the cow part of the stretch. Repeat the sequence of movements for several breaths, moving slowly and smoothly. You can synchronize your breath with your movement, inhaling as you arch your spine and exhaling as you round your spine. The cat-cow stretch is a great way to loosen up the spine and relieve tension in the back muscles. It can also help improve posture and increase flexibility in the neck and shoulders. You can perform this stretch as often as you like, either as a standalone exercise or as part of a longer yoga or stretching routine. 2. Hamstring stretch. The hamstring stretch is a simple but effective exercise that can help alleviate back pain by targeting the muscles in the back of the thigh. The hamstrings are a group of muscles that run from the pelvis to the back of the knee, and when they become tight or overworked, they can put pressure on the lower back and contribute to discomfort. To perform this stretch, start by lying on your back with your legs straight. You can do this on a mat or a comfortable surface. Lift one leg off the ground and keep it straight, flexing the foot to engage the muscles in the leg. You can use a towel, a strap, or your own hands to gently pull the leg towards your chest, feeling a stretch in the back of the thigh. It's important to avoid pulling too hard, as this can cause discomfort or strain in the muscles. Hold the stretch for 30 seconds, allowing the muscles to relax and lengthen. You may notice a gentle pulling sensation in the back of the thigh, but it should not be painful. After 30 seconds, release the leg and switch to the other side, repeating the same steps. It's important to remember to breathe deeply and evenly throughout the stretch, as this can help to further relax the muscles and increase the benefits of the exercise. If you find that the stretch is too challenging or uncomfortable, you can modify it by bending the knee slightly or using a prop such as a block to support the leg. Incorporating the hamstring stretch into your daily routine can help to improve flexibility in the hamstrings, reduce tension in the lower back, and alleviate discomfort caused by tight muscles. It's a simple but effective exercise that can be done at home or in the gym, and with regular practice, you may notice significant improvements in your back pain and overall mobility. 3. Child's pose. Child's pose is a yoga pose that is commonly used as a resting pose during yoga practices. It is a gentle stretch that helps release tension in the back muscles, especially the lower back. To perform child's pose, start on your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Then, sit back on your heels and stretch your arms out in front of you, keeping your palms facing down on the ground. As you sit back, you should feel a gentle stretch in your hips and lower back. Once you are in the pose, rest your forehead on the ground and breathe deeply. Allow your body to relax and release any tension in your muscles. Hold the pose for several breaths or as long as you feel comfortable. Child's pose is a great way to calm the mind and reduce stress, as it is a passive pose that allows the body to rest and recover. It is also beneficial for improving flexibility in the hips and thighs, which can help alleviate back pain over time. Overall, child's pose is a simple yet effective stretch that can be done by anyone, regardless of age or fitness level. It is a great way to start or end a yoga practice, or can be used as a standalone pose for relaxation and stress relief. 4. Cobra pose. Cobra pose, also known as Bhujangasana in Sanskrit, is a yoga pose that stretches and strengthens the muscles in the back, shoulders, and chest. This pose is particularly effective for those who suffer from back pain, as it can help to increase flexibility and relieve tension in the spine. To perform Cobra pose, start by lying face down on a yoga mat with your legs extended behind you and the tops of your feet resting on the mat. Place your hands on the ground next to your shoulders, with your elbows close to your body and your fingers spread wide. As you inhale, press your hands into the ground and begin to lift your chest and head up off the mat. Keep your elbows close to your body, and try to avoid using your arms to lift your chest. Instead, focus on using the muscles in your back to lift yourself up. As you hold the pose, try to keep your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears. Keep your gaze forward, and breathe deeply through your nose. Hold Cobra pose for several breaths, or as long as it feels comfortable for you. To release the pose, exhale and slowly lower yourself back down to the mat. Cobra pose can be modified to make it more or less challenging, depending on your level of flexibility and comfort. For example, you can start with a smaller back bend by lifting just your chest off the mat, and gradually work your way up to a full Cobra pose as your back becomes stronger and more flexible. Overall, Cobra pose is an excellent exercise for those looking to relieve back pain and improve flexibility in the spine. Incorporating this pose into your daily yoga or exercise routine can help to alleviate discomfort and improve overall back health. 5. Pelvic tilt. Pelvic tilts can help strengthen the muscles in the lower back and abdomen, which can help alleviate back pain. To do this exercise, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Tighten your abdominal muscles and press your lower back into the ground, holding for several seconds before releasing. Repeat for several repetitions. 6. Bridge pose. Bridge pose is another exercise that can help strengthen the lower back muscles. To perform this exercise, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lift your hips up towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes and engaging your core muscles. Hold for several breaths, then release. 7. Wall squat. Wall squats can help strengthen the muscles in the legs and lower back, which can help alleviate back pain. To do this exercise, stand with your back against a wall and your feet shoulder width apart. Slide down the wall until your thighs are parallel to the ground, then hold for several seconds before sliding back up. Repeat for several repetitions. 8. Side plank. Side plank can help strengthen the muscles in the core and back, which can help alleviate back pain. To perform this exercise, start in a plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Roll onto one side, lifting your arm towards the ceiling and stacking your feet on top of each other. Hold for several breaths, then switch sides. We hope you found these exercises and stretches helpful in relieving your back pain. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can strengthen your back muscles and improve your overall flexibility and mobility. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips on living a healthy, pain-free life. We regularly post videos on yoga, exercise, nutrition, and more, all aimed at helping you live your best life. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.